Now, example 5.8. To simulate car accidents, auto manufacturers study the collision of moving cars with mounted springs of different spring constants. Consider a typical simulation with a car of mass 1000 kg moving with a speed 18 km per hour on a smooth road and colliding with a horizontally mounted spring of spring constant 6.25 into 10 raised to 3 Newton per meter. What is the maximum compression of the spring? Now see here, it is given to you mass of the car, that is 1000 kg, velocity, that is 18 km per hour, multiply it by 5 by 18, so that is 5 meter per second. And the spring constant, that is 6.25 into 10 raised to 3 Newton per meter. So when car is moving, at that time, first of all, we have to calculate its kinetic energy, right? Why kinetic energy? Because when car collides with the spring and compression of the spring takes place, at that time, the kinetic energy will be converted into potential energy of the spring. When maximum compression of the spring takes place, momentarily car will be steady. So we can say now entire kinetic energy of the car is converted into potential energy of the spring. Okay. Now kinetic energy of the moving car, that is half mv square. So half into m, that is 1000, v, that is 5. Solve it, you will get kinetic energy, that is 12.5 into 10 raised to 3 joule. Okay. So when maximum compression of the spring takes place, this entire kinetic energy will be converted into potential energy of the spring. Suppose maximum compression of the spring takes place, that is xm. So potential energy of the spring, that will be half kxm square, and that will be equal to kinetic energy of the moving car. Okay, so we can write half k, that is 6.25 into 10 raised to 3 xm square, that we want to find what is the maximum compression of the spring. That is equal to kinetic energy 12.5 into 10 raised to 3, that we calculated. So 10 raised to 3 will be cancelled. 12.5 upon 6.5, that is 2, and these 2 on right hand side will give you 4. So xm square, that is 4. So xm, that is equal to 2 meters. So maximum compression of the spring, that will be equal to 2 meters. Clear to all of you?